Greetings to Dr. Fadzil. This video is the presentation of mythical animal physiology, where our group consists of me, Duen, Andy, Joe, Nazrin, and Yusuf. Our mythical animal is the QB. QB, also called the nine-tailed fox, it's a powerful fox spirit from Japanese myths. It has 9 tails, and each tail means more power and magic. Sometimes it's seen as dangerous, but sometimes it's a protector. In the anime Naruto, the QB is a strong beast inside the main character. It's one of the most famous and powerful mythical creatures. The QB has 9 tails, so its bones must be different from a normal fox. Instead of one tail, it likely has a wider spine at the back, where the bones split to support each tail. This means a broader pelvis and stronger joints to hold all that extra weight. The bones would be need to be light but strong, like bird bones, so the QB can still move fast and stay balanced. These changes help support the tails without making the body too heavy. To move 9 tails, the QB needs a lot of muscles. Each tail would have its own muscle group to help it move up, down, and side to side. It also needs strong core muscles like those in the back and stomach to stay stable, and its back leg would be muscular, helping it balance and move quickly. These muscles work together so the QB can control all its tails smoothly.
My name is Joe Edujoni. So I'm gonna be presenting about the respiratory system and circulatory system. So for the fox respiratory system, uh, it has similar structure and function to mammals, such as having a diaphragm, trachea, bronchi, lungs, and alveoli, which is used for gas exchange. Right, so for the circulatory system, it has four-chambered heart, like all mammals do, and it also has a blood function, which is the blood carries hemoglobin that transport oxygen throughout the body, and as well as blood circulation that helps in transporting nutrients throughout the body. Okay, so we'll be going to our mythical creature that we choose, which is the QB. So for the respiratory system for it is that it is chakra manipulation. So instead of using it also use oxygen, but it doesn't entirely use oxygen, mainly using chakra manipulation, which use the energy from its body, and it can survive without oxygen as yeah. And for the circulatory system, it has a chakra network. So in this case, it doesn't have a blood circulation. Instead, it has a chakra network which replaces the blood, and also it has an immortal regeneration capabilities which doesn't exist for normal foxes. For this mythical creature, it has immortal regeneration capabilities, so it's hard to die. Yeah. So moving on to the next.
Moving on to thermoregulation strategies, QB is an energy-intensive huge beast that possesses huge chakra attributes. This creature will generate immense heat within oneself when they were running, fighting, and using chakras, which would necessitate proper thermoregulation to be exercised. As a massive creature with enormous chakra output, QB would naturally face serious challenges regarding heat. Its size alone, similar to that of large mammals such as elephants and whales, QB has a low surface area to volume ratio, meaning it retains heat that easily. Next is high metabolic rate. Chakra generation and combat actions generate excess heat, much like intense exercise in many common mammals. Next is fur. As a mammalian-looking creature, its thick fur can trap heat, making cooling more difficult. Considering QB is a chakra-based creature, it may use chakra itself to assist in thermal regulation by converting excess or heat into energy or releasing it during powerful attacks like the tailed beast bomb. In summary, QB will need a combination of real-world strategies and chakra-based adaptations to survive its extreme environment. Its tails, respiratory behavior, and internal systems all play a vital role in keeping its body temperature under control.
For my part, I will explain how the nine-tailed fox might digest food and produce energy if we base it on like a real fox biology. Like a real fox, Kurama has a mouth full of sharp teeth, a powerful stomach, and a fast metabolism, but as a giant chakra-powered beast, everything is supercharged. First, the nine-tailed fox. It's like a real fox. The nine-tailed will bite, steer, and swallow food just like any carnivore, mostly meat or anything in his way. Their stomach is super strong. The stomach of the nine-tailed is acidic. Isn't just for food. It's also strong enough to dissolve chakra-infused materials like ninja armor or summoned creature. They also stores energy as chakra instead of storing energy as fat like most animal. The nine-tailed fox stores it as a chakra as it is his main power sources for attacks. They absorb nutrients and chakra. The nine-tailed fox takes in both normal nutrient and the chakra inside the things that they eat because the chakra will give them a huge energy boost. The way they release their chakra energy is they release by through the chakra blast like their signature move, which is the tail beast bomb. Finally, for their chakra control hunger and power, the nine-tailed fox energy system is controlled by chakra. Like how hormones control hunger or energy in real animals, the more chakra they have, the stronger and more alert they become.
Hello, my name is Mohammed Sukali Asli. Now I would like to explain the sensory adaptation and communication ability of Kurama, the Naruto fox from Naruto. Although Kurama is a fictional character, he is inspired by the Kibi no Kitsune, a powerful fox spirit in Japanese mythology. For, for the visions, Kurama likely has a sharp night vision like real fox, but exchanges with ability to sense chakra flow, which help it detect energy-based movement in battle. For the hearings, it has large ears give it excellent hearing, allowing it to detect distant and subtle sounds important in both hunting and combat. For the smell, Kurama's sense of smell is extremely strong. It can identify people and emotion through sense like a predator but on more
So,
advanced level. In communications, Kurama communicates telepathically, speaking directly to Naruto mind. This reflects the Kiwi mythological ability to connect with humans spiritually. It is also used for and chakra pulls to express power or emotions, showing a mix of animal behavior and supernatural intelligence. In short, Kurama's sensory communicate abilities combine real folks magical power, and fictional chakra-based intent. In the end, Kurama, the mythical Kyuubi, and real foxes all share key traits. They are same, which is sharp sense, high intelligence, and strong form of non-verbal and instinctive communications. Kurama brings these natural and mythical qualities together, reimagining the nine-tailed fox as a powerful, spiritual, and emotional aware creature. Thus,